Hi everybody, I'm going to do an unboxing at the new Taylor Swift album and CD. Let's see, I'll open up this first. Got them today. This is the new CD of Taylor Swift. And now we're going to open up the album. The album's in here. In this box. Take a few minutes to open it up. Here's the nice album. Taylor Swift's new album. I think it's this side. This way. It's a big double album. Hope you guys like the unboxing. Comment, like, and subscribe. And share. And all that good stuff. So I hope you liked it. I got the album and CD. Album and CD. So again, comment, like, and share. And see you in the next video. Bye guys.